Okay, let us look at this question under equation of a straight line. So we have to find the equation of a line that is parallel to y equals 2x plus 3 passing through this point. There is something we need to understand here if you want to get this correctly. So let me just give you a kind of illustration of this in a moment. My Cartesian plane, so this is the y-axis, and this is the x-axis. So we have to find the equation of a line that is parallel. So let's assume that we have a parallel line. Let's say we have a line like this. This is just an illustration. This is not correct diagrammatical representation of the question. So let's assume that the equation of a line that we are given is y equals 2x plus 3. Okay. Now recall that when two or more lines are parallel to one another on the Cartesian plane, their gradients should be the same. Now, if this line is parallel to this line, from what you can see here, the coefficient of x is 2. So we can see that the gradient m1 of this line is 2. So what that simply implies is that since the two of them are parallel to one another, they have the same gradient. So the gradient of this one is going to be the same as the gradient. So let's call the gradient of this one m2. So the gradient of this line m2 is going to be 2 as well. That is the first information that we need. Then we're told again that that particular line passes through a coordinate of point 1, 2. So like I said, this is just an illustration. So let's assume that this is the point, and the coordinate of this point is 1, 5. So since we know the gradient of the line, it was not given to us, but we use the fact that the two lines are parallel, so they have the same gradient. So we can use the formula y minus y1 equals m into x minus x1, and that will give us the equation we are looking for. Okay, now that you understand this, let us go back to now that we know what to do. So to find the equation of that line, we're going to use the formula y minus y1 plus m into x minus x1. So in this case, our gradient we've established from the previous diagram that our gradient is 2. So x1 is 1, y1 is 5. So if I put in this quantity that we have, we can easily get this equation. So in place of y1, I'm going to have 5. In place of m, I'm going to have 2 as a gradient. And this is going to be 1. So I open up the bracket to give y minus 5 equals, using 2 to multiply what I have inside, I have 2x minus 2. Finally, if I take minus 5 to the other side, that will give me 2x plus 2 plus 5. So that is going to give me y equals 2x minus, that's plus 2x plus 3. That will be the equation of the line that we are looking for. So don't forget, if two or more straight lines are parallel to one another, their gradients will be the safe.